Valentine's Day is almost here, so I want to do some fun Valentine DIYs using Dollar Tree items. All right, so for this first one, we have the clear drawer that they have at Valentine's Day. This you can do so many things with, but we're going to be making like a perfume bottle decor piece for Valentine's Day. I'm taking a piece of paper that kind of, has those Valentine colors in it. I cut it a little bit bigger than the inside, and then I kind of scored it with my fingernail to make sure it fit nice and snug, cut away the excess and just use a little bit of hot glue to put that in. Then I have these cute love signs from the Dollar Tree also, and then I'm just alternating the colors, and I'm going to put 3 of those in there. You can put something else in there too, but I think that's a cute little pop of extra to put in there. And then I have a little Jenga block from the Dollar Tree as well, and I'm going to take that and it's going to give it kind of that perfume bottle shape up top. So I'm just gluing one of those on there right on top of the handle, and then this table scatter that is also from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just taking and gluing that all around the Jenga block to give it a jeweled look. And then I'm going to add some extra table scatter to the inside of the drawer, and then you stand it up and you have a cute looking perfume bottle, which is a fun piece of decor for Valentine's Day. Now for this next one, another simple, easy piece using Dollar Tree items. Okay, so they have these hearts. They come in 3 different colors. I had grabbed them all. And then they have this wreath with the wood beads and a heart shape. And then I have these wood letters. And then these are, they call them ornaments at the Dollar Tree, like kind of for their little trees. And I'm going to use one of those as the O. So I'm just painting the L and the V red. You can leave these the wood color too because they do go with the piece, but I'm just painting them just to give a little extra touch. I'm taking off this string that was on there, and I found these square beads at the Dollar Tree in the craft section. So I'm taking those and then I'm going to secure it in the back, and then it just has a different little hang. You can adjust this form to make sure it fits perfectly around the heart, and then I'm just hot gluing everything down. I decided to go with those pieces instead, and then I'm layering. So then now you have the love, you have the square beads, you have the form on top, and I just think it's a cute piece of Valentine's decor using all Dollar Tree items. Now for this next piece, this you can do in so many different ways. Okay, so we have these love signs again from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna paint 2 red and 2 white, just using, regular paint. And you want to get into all of the cracks. You don't, and you want to do the back too. So you want to let it dry. You want to do both sides because you'll be able to see them. You can cover the back up and then you won't be able to see it. There's so many different ways you can do this, but I did it this way because it's, easy and simple. But I'm just getting in all of the little cracks, like I said, and then you can glue this together. You can make a basket. Like I said, you can do this so many different ways. I might go back and do another DIY with these, but for now we're doing like a vase. So you're going to glue those together. You can use a heavy glue. The hot glue, comes instantly, but you do need to let it dry for a little bit to make sure it is nice and secure because they are heavy pieces. So you don't want to move it around while it is drying. And you want to face the good side out, the love side out. You can put something on the bottom of this. You can fill this with a Dollar Tree vase. You can do so many different things with this, but this is such a cute Valentine piece. Now for this one, another simple one using Dollar Tree items. I got this from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to paint it red and white. So I'm going to do 2 sections red, 2 sections white. I'm not going to give it a lot of coats. I just wanted to give it, a little bit of color. You can do this with a wood stain. You can do this in so many different ways, but I'm just doing it nice and simple. And, red and white are the Valentine colors. And then I got this piece too from the Dollar Tree, and then all of this ribbon from the Dollar Tree too. So I'm going to make a cute little bow. I'm going to layer 2 different styles of the ribbon, just real simple, and then put this together, with a twisty tie. And then I'm going to put everything on we're going to call it like a wreath, but it's just a piece of decor, but it's kind of like a wreath. you know, but using all of the Dollar Tree items. So you just stack those and then you could just put it with a twisty tie. You can do this really big. You can do it smaller. You can do it whatever way you want. You can buy a pre-done bow if you want it, but it's just something real simple. So I'm going to take these little lips too that I got from the Dollar Tree, the ornament section, and I'm going to just hot glue all of that down. And the great thing about this is you can customize it, whatever way you want. And then I'm just taking some twine because it goes with the string that's already on there to hang this. And then I'm hot gluing that down. And then this is how it came out. So simple, so cute. Now for this one, another simple one, we're going to be using those wood heart beads again, and just some of them ornaments, the ribbon, all the same things. I'm going to be using a different metal card this time though. So you can stack these, you can do this singular, you can do this, you can do it really big and make it really long. You can do this in so many different ways. But I'm just hot gluing the little card down, and then I'm taking some faux florals and I'm wrapping the stem around. So I cut off the pieces that I wanted, and I'm just wrapping the stem around kind of to secure it there. And then I'm taking little twisty ties and attaching this. You can attach it with zip ties. You can attach it whichever way is going to be the most secure. I wouldn't do it with just glue. You could do it with wood glue, but then you have to wait a while for it to secure itself. But you want to make sure it's nice and secure and everything will stay together. And then I just added a few more florals to this. And again, nice and simple, made a bow with the twisty tie that, tied in place, and then just stack the different pieces of the bow. So I'm not a good bow maker, but and then I attach that with a twisty tie to there, and then just to cover up that part, I just use some of the ornaments again and stack those on top. And then you can hang this with a door hanger, and it is simple and done using all Dollar Tree items. Make sure to subscribe so you can follow along for more fun holiday DIYs.